Hi, everybody. Are you aware that 75% of you are not subscribers? Thus, you know what you need to do.
Welcome to the List Comprehension in Python course. In this course, you'll learn how to create and manipulate lists efficiently in Python by using list comprehension. What's list comprehension? List comprehension offers a shorter syntax when you want to create a new list based on the values of an existing list. It allows you to combine the process of iteration, transformation, and filtering into a single line of code, making code more compact and readable. To demonstrate the significance and utility of list comprehension, I will first show you an example of constructing a list without using the concept of list comprehension. Let's go to the compiler to build a list from another list without using list comprehension. Consider the list of fruits and the new empty list. Based on this list of fruits, you want a new list containing only the fruits with the letter E in the name. This new list should be equal to apple, banana, and moon. Without list comprehension, we will have to write for statement with a conditional test inside like this. For x in fruits, if E in x, new list, append x. We append x to new lists. Now print new list and run. Then we obtain apple, banana, moon. Now let's comment out the for loop. The list comprehension instruction that will give us the same result with more concise code, new list equal to x for x in fruits if E in x. It's on. And now print new list, run the code, and we obtain apple, banana, moon. The same result as before. Okay, but we have an elegant and concise Python instruction called list comprehension. Let's now move on the next topic, that is the syntax of list comprehension. The syntax is as follows. List equal to expression of item for item in iterable if condition equal to true. Let's try to understand each part of the syntax. The first part is the expression of item. It represents some value which will get stored inside new list. It's depending on the item. So it represents a single item of the list. The second part is for item in iterable. It means that we can iterate through it. In our example, we have written for x in fruits. Fruits is an iterable. So we are taking each item from this list and storing it inside variable x, one at a time. Now let's move on the third and last part of the syntax, which is if condition equal to true. The condition is like a filter that only accept items that evaluate to true. In this case, we have written in the example if letter E in X. So if condition is satisfied, then only we will append the item X to new list. With this, I hope it's clear how list comprehension works, but I would like to mention one more point here. This condition checking is optional. This is not mandatory. Now, with the help of some examples, let's understand where we don't need this condition checking. Let's again open the compiler. Example 1. If you want to copy a fruits list, we have only to delete the condition like this. Then if we print new list, we get a copy of fruits. Running this code gives the same list as fruits. Example 2. Creating a list of integers from 0 to 9. Numbers equal to number for number in range of 10, print numbers. After running, we get a list of integers from 0 to 9. Example 3. Creating a list of string from E to Z. Letters equal to letter for letter in E, B, C, D, etc. Print letters. After running, we get a list of string from E to Z. Last topic, conclusion. List comprehension are powerful and versatile syntax that allows you to quickly and efficiently create lists in Python. There are an alternative to classic for loops, and they can be used to create lists of any type of object.